Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am back today because I was inspired to go to the Dollar Tree and search for a few things and a few crafty things, and I found some things, so I just wanted to share that with you. Um, it's a Deal inspired me by all the little things that she had gotten. I also received an order from Amazon. These are just microwave steam bags, the large size, and you get 25 in here. Um, I usually get like the Glad steam bags, I think, but you got more in these, and then and these were larger. So I'm going to link these down below. I'll link both the Glad and then these steam bags. If you have never steamed your vegetables in the microwave, this is an excellent way to do it. It's so easy. And okay, so a few things that I got that are not crafty. Of course, Greg was with me and he wanted a couple of little goodies. He's my snacker. He loves a snack. But he got a salted nut roll and a which is cinnamon churro flavor. He may have to share that with me. But then he got a chocolate bar, but he already ate that. And then he picked up one of these Sure Fresh vented 12.15 cups container with a lid. I have to maybe take it back though because it doesn't have the vent. So I'm gonna have to see about that. And then I usually pick up the Scotty's tissues if I just need a few. Usually if I get them in bulk, if I have the space to store them, then I just buy them from Amazon. But this time I just picked up 3 boxes at the Dollar Tree. And I think that's all in that bag. And then I picked up 2 of the Mrs. Fields oatmeal raisin cookies. And yeah, totally not on my diet, but I need one every now and then. It's made with wheat flour. There you go. Those are good for you. And raisins. So, so I picked up 2 of those. And I will say the chocolate bars are still $1. They're not $1.25. So, and then Greg has a cat out back that he loves. He picked up the 9 Lives Plus Care, and he picked up 2 bags of these just when we need a little cat food before I do a big order like at Walmart. If we're just in between, then we just pick up a couple of bags at the Dollar Tree. And then I picked up some of the Pop Dot tape, and usually I get my tape from Amazon, but I wanted one, a 3-piece container of this so that when I run out of my regular roll, then I can use this until my Amazon order comes in, because I usually buy them in bulk through Amazon. And then the rest, I think there's some Easter goodies. I found this trim with the little blue puff balls on it, Pom Pom Trim. And they had the red and orange and blue, I believe. And I have most of the other colors, but I didn't have the blue. So I picked that up. And then I picked up 3 of the Crafter Squares little wood embellishments, I guess you would call them. They call them ornaments. You get 14 pieces. I picked up the rabbits, the chicks, and the carrots. And I thought those would be good for, I put them on cards, tags, whatever I'm working on. And then I picked up one of the Crafter Square craft scraper. So that's always nice to have. Sometimes I get glue on here and I like to scrape it off. And then I picked up 2 of these. They are the large eggs. And I thought they'd be good for a swap. You can embellish them, kind of decorate them up. So I picked up 2 of those. And then the last things that I got were, I found the confetti, and it comes with 3 different options. You get the Easter eggs, then you get the bunny rabbits, then you get some flowers, and these flowers have holes in them, so they would be good to put on a dangle or something. And then I picked up the chicks, some more little flowers, which those would be good layered with these flowers over here. And then some of the little bunnies that are like jumping. And then the last one I picked up were the yellow chicks, some more eggs, and the words Happy Easter. So that is all of my Dollar Tree haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And I did get my Jane's Agenda subscription box in the mail, so I'll be coming out with a video on that, video unboxing. I will link the Amazon microwave steam bags down below in the description. And everyone have a wonderful week, and I'll be back soon with another crafty, planner, or beauty video.